Thinking of planning your wedding? Don't want to panic you, but I want to tell you something that I think you want to hear. Hi, this is Jack with Vacationies. Do me a favor and subscribe to the video, hit the button so you're notified. I do post new videos every Tuesday, as you probably know. Okay, again, no panic here, but I want to say something that I think is really, really important. Book your wedding now. Okay, I don't care when it is, get it done. I have never seen things that I'm seeing now. Resorts that are sold out. Resorts that only have 10 a.m. So let me tell you why I'm saying this. If you are thinking of planning a destination wedding in 2023, I don't care what size you are, if you're over 10 rooms, do it ASAP. Contact your favorite travel professional. Call a resort. I don't care what you do. The resorts are sold out. In the past, I used to tell people, hey, if you were a smaller wedding, 10 to 20 rooms, if you started planning 9 months in advance, we'd be fine. Now what I'm seeing is, hey, forget that. Throw it out the window. I am telling people, no matter how big a wedding you have, you want to get started planning at least a year in advance. If you're a larger wedding, we do big weddings. We have a 150 room wedding we're working on now. We spent 3 months looking at where we could find resorts that could hold that capacity and give our clients different locations for each of the events they're having. So here's really what I want to say, clearly and concisely. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do your travel professional a favor. And as soon as you start thinking that you want to have a destination wedding, call someone. What we're seeing is we have resorts that we like. You've probably heard me talk about several of the Dreams resorts and Generations and a couple of the Royaltons. We're being told that they are sold out throughout 2023 for Thursdays through Mondays. So what I'm saying to you is, please, as you're thinking about having a destination wedding, look further in advance. Look at 2024 already. It's amazing. We already have weddings booked for 24. But again, just know that if you want a Friday, a Saturday, a Sunday, a Monday, a lot of the resorts are already sold out. Talk with your travel professional about this. Look at different resorts. Maybe you'll find something you like. But again, I would just plan much further in the future than you thought you needed to. Again, where you're just seeing things sold out. It's frustrating for me. I talk to a client or a prospective client. They have 2 or 3 resorts they're interested in, and I have to tell them, hey, those resorts are no longer available. When you are talking with your travel professional or the resorts directly, you want to check with them is, what date do you have? What locations do you have and at what times? Because what I'm being told is certain resorts go, oh, we have that date, but we only have 10 in the morning. So make sure you ask those questions so that if you pick a resort, you get what you're looking for. So again, summary, plan further in advance. Sorry to create a panic, but again, I'm panicked because I'm tired of having resorts tell me, booked, 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 booked. Again, Jack with Vacationies. Have a great destination wedding, and thanks for tuning in.